Hey guys, today is Friday, February 7th. It's about 6:30 in the morning. You can see the North Star right there. Today we're going to do a startup video of the 4.6 liter or 289 cubic inch V8. See it right there. It's going to be a cold start. It's about 9 degrees Fahrenheit out right now. Let's get her done. First, I'm going to show you the air shocks in the back of the car right here for the rear shocks, and that's what gives it a Cadillac ride. So I'll just turn the key on and let you listen to the air compressor. So we'll just do a key on, no start. Back here we'll be able to hear the air compressor and the shocks. It's inflating the rear shocks for that smooth ride. And we'll do a startup video right here. So if I can somehow sit this over here. Alright, here we go. You can see it starts up with no trouble at all. Very nice running motor. Has a little bit of a tick right now because it's very cold. Take a look on the inside. Sorry for no interior lights, they don't work, and every time you put the fuse in it always blows. You can see right there, 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Got my favorite radio station on. This is XM satellite radio. This is the highway. 6:38 a.m. See right there, engine RPM, 1025. Not too bad. You can also view our tire pressure. They should all be about 30, so that one's good. That one's getting a little bit low. And that's okay. And 25 is a little bit low also. 15.3 battery volts, so not too bad for a cold start. Timer. 8.1 average mile per hour. 3.5 gallons of fuel. And we have 8 miles per gallon, so that's what this car gets. So not the best, but when you give her gas, she goes. You can see 69,040 miles right over there. Not too bad. About a half tank of gas. Trying to get her warmed up here. We have her on automatic, 75 degrees. So turn on the radio a little bit here. Sweet ride. Have a good one, everybody.